Hi dears, in today's class we will be discussing the first lesson in our Beehive text. Just see, this is your Beehive text. First lesson, the fun they had. Just see, this is the lesson, and here in the beginning you can see some pictures which are showing about a modern classroom here, and this is being expected as the modern classroom maybe after a century. And then the story begins with the date very clearly given on 17th May 2157. We are living in 2021. It happens after a century. So just imagine how much difference will be there in the technology. This beautiful story is written by Isaac Asimov. We'll go with the story right now and we'll go with the author after the lesson. Now in the beginning itself, Margie, one of the major characters in the story, says or writes in her diary that her friend Tommy found out a real book, and on that diary she has written the date on 17th May 2157. Now just imagine which day, which year and which date it happens. All these things are very clearly mentioned. It's very awkward for us to say that we found a real book, but just imagine after a century we may not have real books like what we see, and we will have only e-books or electronic books with us, which are being read on a computer or a screen. That book which she could see on Tommy's hand was a very old one, and now Margie remembers what her grandfather said. He said that once when he was a little boy, his grandfather said that there were stories written on printed paper once. Even her grandfather did not see such books, but her grandfather heard from his grandfather that there was a time when stories were printed on paper. When they started looking into that book which was there in Tommy's hands, they started turning the pages. It was yellow and crinky. Crinky means very old. Too many folders and lines were there so that it might tear at any moment. Such old pages. And then it was really awful and funny for them to read words which were standing still. What were they doing? They were just reading the scrolling words and lines which were coming on the screen in front of them in a computer. Even if when they turn into another page and come back to the previous page, they can see the same content only. That made them really awkward or funny. After having a look at the book, Tommy felt it very irritated. He said, it's really going to be a waste, because after reading the book, people will be throwing it away. Do you have a habit of reading? If you have a habit of reading, you will be knowing that you will never throw any books. We'll keep it as a library or a collection for us. We may read it later once in other time. But here Tommy says that he is having a number of books in his computer screen so that he never want to go with such a funny book. And then he continues that he will never throw away his e-book. Margie also agreed with that. Margie was only 11 and she did not see as many books as Tommy had seen, because Tommy was elder than Margie. He was 13. In a sudden, Margie asked where he found the book. Without looking at Margie or without looking at the point from where he got it, he just had a finger pointing into the place and said, "From my house." Why was he not looking at Margie or looking at the point? He was really busy reading the pages. And then he continued in the attic. Attic means in the storeroom where the old things are being kept. That's the place where he could find it. Now the next question came from Margie. What is it about? Tommy said school. But Margie got really surprised or shocked. What is new about schools? What is to write about schools? We are also going to school now. It was just because Margie hated schools. Because nowadays her mechanical teacher is giving test after test in geography. Every day she was getting test, and she was scoring very poor marks in the test that her mother was scolding and was really unhappy about it. Finally, her mother was fed up with the scores and she has sent for the county inspector, who is adjusting the lesson and other things. In the fourth paragraph, we can see the brief description of the county inspector. How was his appearance? A round little man with a red face and was having a lot of tools and wires with him. Just had given a beautiful smile to Margie, gave an apple to her, and then started with his work. He just separated the mechanical teacher, and then at that moment Margie was looking at all those things he was doing and expected that he would not be able to make it clearly together. She never wanted to continue those boring lessons. That's the reason. But he knew everything, that he fixed it well. Within an hour or something like that, the mechanical teacher was ready. The ugly big screen where the questions being shown, the lessons were being explained. But that was not very bad. The part which Margie hated too much was the point where to put the homeworks and the test papers. They always had a problem with Margie. But she was having problem completing her exams well and was having problem completing her homeworks well. This is the reason why she hated schools always. Now they had a special punch code to insert their homework and insert their answer sheets, and the same thing which she had learned at the age of 6 when she started her schooling. And mechanical teacher used to check the answer sheets and check the homeworks, calculated her marks and awarded marks according to her answers whether it is correct or not. Here we have finished the 4th paragraph of this lesson. We'll be continuing with the lesson on the next day. Hope it was clear to you. Just make a love reading of any one paragraph and send it to me as an audio in the group. Don't send it to me personally. And it's time for me to wind up. Thank you. Have a nice day.